Hello, how are you? Good morning. My name is Your Name. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Bhopal. What do you do? I am a student. At home. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I return home at 6 p.m. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Shopping. How much does this cost? I would like to buy this. Do you have this in a different size? Where is the fitting room? Can I pay by card? Thank you for your help. Restaurants. I would like to order a pizza. Can I see the menu, please? I am vegetarian. Can I have a glass of water? The food is delicious. Could I have the bill, please? Traveling. Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? I need a taxi to the airport. What time does the bus arrive? Is this seat taken? Thank you for the directions. Common phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry.